Hello, I am Dolly. Today I will read to you The Sorcerer's Apprentice. Once there was a very great sorcerer. He had a magic hat. The sorcerer had a helper named Mickey. Mickey did all the work. He swept the floor with a broom. He washed the wall with a brush. He chopped the wood with an axe. He carried the sorcerer's magic books from one room to another. He carried buckets up the stairs to the well and filled them with water. Up and downstairs he went all day long. At the end of each day, Mickey was very tired. All I ever do is work. I didn't want so much work. I wish I had time to play. He thought, if I have the sorcerer's magic hat, I could not have to work at all. One day the sorcerer went out. He is not wearing his hat. Mickey thought if he's not wearing his hat must be here. Mickey reached for the hat and put it on his head. Now I'm the sorcerer too, he said. Mickey saw his old broom standing by the wall. I'll try my magic on that broom. Mickey pointed his finger at the broom. Work, he said. The broom grew 2 feet and it grew 2 arms. Mickey told the broom to pick up the buckets. Mickey told the broom to go up the stairs, go to the well, fill it with water, bring back downstairs, pour the water. The broom did just what Mickey said. Mickey was so happy he danced around the room. Magic is easy, magic is fun. Magic's the way to get the work done. Yes, magic is easy this way to get the work done. Mickey sat down in the sorcerer's chair. He pointed his feet at the sorcerer's table, and he pointed his finger at the broom. Work, he said. While the broom was working, Mickey fell sound asleep. Suddenly, something woke Mickey up, something very cold and very wet. It was a big splash of water. Mickey stood up and looked around. Water's everywhere, and water was very deep. Just then, Mickey saw the axe. Axe, he thought. If I can chop wood with axe, I can chop the broom with axe too. Mickey picked up the axe and ran after the broom. He chopped and he chopped as fast as he could. He chopped off the broom into small bits of wood. There, he said. Now I have to clean up all this water. But then something very strange happened. All of the tiny bits of wood started to move faster and faster and faster. And each piece of wood turned into a broom until there was hundreds of brooms in the room. Mickey stood up in front of the door, but the broom pushed the door open and walked right over Mickey. All of the brooms kept on filling up their buckets and went up their stairs and went to the well, filling with water, and bring back downstairs, pour the water onto the floor. Mickey shouted, Stop, stop, said Mickey, but the broom wouldn't stop. It kept on working. Mickey opened the book and tried to solve it close. He looked at page after page, but he couldn't find how to stop the broom. Poor Mickey. It was nothing he could do. Just then the sorcerer came back. The sorcerer knew how to do. The sorcerer knew how to say. He lifted his arms, and all of the brooms and all of the buckets and all of the water went away. The sorcerer looked down at Mickey. Mickey looked down at the floor. Mickey took off the sorcerer's magic hat. He gave the hat back to the sorcerer. He said, I'm sorry. It was only a little magic trick. The sorcerer asked Mickey, what did you learn from your little magic trick? Well, he answered, I learned that magic isn't always easy and it isn't always fun. And there's only one sure way to get the work done, and that's to do it yourself. And Mickey get back to work. Thank you for listening.